Speaker, sir. Since this road is the lifeline of many of the Northeast state, so therefore I just request the Honorable Deputy CM to speed up the process of the full lining of NH6. Thank you, sir.
Sir, in fact, this question which asked by the honourable member Santa Mary Shylla, it is the national highway. So previously, all the land compensation has already been paid, but the question now is about the widening of the road from double lane to the four lane, and the land acquisition is on the way, and once the compensation is paid, then the concerned district collector will hand over the land to the competition. Sir, the four laning starting point is from this Umroi junction, which is called Maulampung, up to Ratashara, and this particular project is called the economic corridor within, in the northeastern states, in Assam as well as Meghalaya. So therefore, even the ministry, the government of India, Ministry of Road Transport, they kept it as a priority, and as I've already replied, feasibility report has been completed, DPR is underway, and also the land acquisition is already initiated, and very soon I'm sure we'll be able to complete the whole process of this, and tendering process also will start very soon, sir.
Just one more question, sir. So, sir, last supplementary, sir. Since the question is related about the national highway, out of curiosity, sir, I just want to know from the Honorable Deputy CM, sir, what about the repairing of the Juwai bypass road, sir? It is, the road condition as of now, it is in a very pathetic condition. So I want to know, sir, whether any sanction has been accorded with regard to the repairing of Juwai bypass road, sir.
Yes, sir. Juwai bypass, in fact, work order has been issued, and the sanction amount is about 11 or 12 crores. I don't have the record right now, but work order has been issued, and instruction has been also given to the contractor to start the work immediately, sir.